Hello, my name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's empowerment training section, we shall be treating how you can make ginger powder. And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so. Please subscribe to our channel so that you can always get notification on more of our entrepreneurial training. So subscribe to our channel on YouTube and also try to follow us on Facebook. So this is our ginger. As you can see, this is our ginger. I try to get bigger ones. The only reason why I get bigger ones is just to be able to peel very well. So I'll be peeling the outermost part, and this is our ginger after I have peeled. So I was breaking the branches to peel also. So that is why you're seeing it in more smaller particles. So after peeling, I need to rinse. So I'm trying to rinse my ginger right now. So I just try and rinse it twice to have this. So this is the second time. So after rinsing the second time, I would put it in a bowl and start slicing. So I need to slice it into smaller particles in order for it to dry on time. So like I said in my previous drying teaching, you can use hydrator and you can use oven. You can use electrical oven. You can also use the gas oven. You can use your normal sun, but the only thing is sun drying will take a very long time. So if it is going to be for business, if you're going to be selling this, that means it's going to be taking a very long time, which might not be too cool for your business. So I am using oven right now, and you can also prepare what we call charcoal drying. You can create an artificial oven making use of charcoal. One thing you need to note is this: make sure you are not overlapping them too much, and make sure you're controlling the heat. Because I cannot control the heat, I have to put the pan in the lowest part of the oven so that the heat does not get to it much. So note, it has to be below. It's already drying, but it's not fully dried. This is after about 30 minutes. So this is not fully dry. So I'm trying to steer to at least make sure they are not overlapping. I'm trying to check if it is not over burning. So after that, I still left it to dry more. So as you can see, the color has really changed. So now when it's breaking by itself, so means it's well dried. So as you can see, I'm using my hand to break it. It simply means it's well dried. So now we need to pour it into our grinder. I'm using blender, and if you're doing bigger quantity, you can make use of the normal grinding engine, but this is also cool. It will give you the absolute result, especially when you're making use of a grinder, not blender. But you can also make use of blender also. If it is well dry, it will work. So pouring it in. Already I've made use of this for my garlic, and my target is to do everything separately, pour them together into one container, mix them up, and use them to spice our food at home. So I'm trying to grind this right now after pouring it in. So as you can see, it's trying to grind gradually. It's trying to grind. It's a little bit difficult at the beginning, but before you know it, it took over, and we'll be having a very perfect powder. So this ginger powder is gonna be very, very powder. So I trust my grinder. It's gonna grind it perfectly well. Okay, let's see. Let it keep grinding. So if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly do so, and if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, do so to get more of our trainings. So I am shaking it just to make the toppermost powder go down. So as you can see, this is our powder. So this is our powder. It can't go more than this. I mean, it cannot be more powdery than this. So we have a good powder here. So our garlic powder is ready. All you just need to do is to let it cool down. After cooling it down, then you pour into your container. And like I said, I already have my garlic powder in the container, so I'll be adding my ginger into my garlic powder to have a good mix. So after doing that, I'll shake. So I have a ginger and garlic powder right now. I'm still going to make turmeric. I'm going to show you how to make turmeric. It's still the same formula, the same thing, but I'm going to show you how to make turmeric. And I'm going to do another video on onion, so that the other one we did was full of errors and things you should note, things you shouldn't do. So this time around, we'll really make a complete video that teaches us, that corrects the mistake I did the other time. That's that ginger powder. And my name remains Prince Yemi Kasale. Please subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Facebook to get more updated trainings. We have a lot of trainings already, and we will keep updating our trainings. Thank you very much.